Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I was doing another video. I was doing a video on intuition, and suddenly while I was shuffling my cards simultaneously just to talk about intuition, so Shant connected, and that is when I'm making this video. And I was pushing him definitely that your everybody is very sad and in problem, so just connect. And that there so that I just saw the card of Queen of Wands, and that's the indication that Sushant wants to connect, and that is why I made this video. So Shan, what is it that you want to put across? What is the message that you want to give? Are you connected? So yes, there is King of Wands, there is Knight of Pentacles. So definitely he's connected and he has a message for all of us. And let's just see what message it is. What is it, Sushant? What is it that you want to convey? What is it that you want to convey to everyone? What is it that you want to convey? So the cards that are there is Knight of Cups, there is Five of Pentacles, and then there is Ace of the Page of Swords. So Five of Pentacle is a card when we think that everything is problematic, there is no help, there is no God, there is no divine, there is nothing that is helping us. But the cards are saying that yes, there is a message that came like that, and that made us feel that there is no help, there is no support, there is no God, there is no divine. But there is another message that is coming up, and this is going to actually be a stepping stone in actually finding some new finding. And we have to not lose faith, we have to keep asking the universe for help. We don't have to lose faith. This is actually happening for a purpose, and definitely the right message. And so Shant has said in the last videos, if you see, there was Two of Pentacles that was coming over and over again. There was Three of Swords that came right in the beginning of the video, which probably meant that there is a heartbreaking message that is going to come, and there is a delay that is going to happen. There is a message about media in the last video, that something media is going to help with something. There is a message in last video where something will come which will might not like. And but all of this is happening for a purpose. Definitely all of this is happening for a purpose. And let's ask Sushant, why is this happening? Sushant, why is this happening? So the cards that we have is King of Wands. Okay, there is Justice, there is, so the cards basically are Knight of Pentacles, there is King of Cups, there is Three of Swords, then there is a message. So this is a heartbreak that we had, and this is an emotional situation or a message that came that made us emotional, that made us think like that. And there is a heartbreak that happened, and it was related to some person who said something which is truly like there. And he's saying that still there are actions that will be taken, and justice will definitely happen, and the wish fulfillment, the things that we are expecting to happen for his justice will happen. And there could be a person who will help with that, a person who's very strong, the person who's who's motivated, who knows how to take others with along with him and walk forward, who's passionate about the things that he does. So there is definitely somebody who's going to help with all of this and the truth to come out. Shant is also saying that justice will happen. Undoubtedly, it will happen. We'll have to believe in it. We just want to ask why this thing leaked. What happened? Like, why did this happen? The whole. Did you actually commit suicide, Sushant? Did you actually commit suicide? Was it a suicide? Did you actually commit a suicide? I know I've answered this multiple times, Sushant, but please, can you just once more, one last time, can you just tell us, did you actually commit suicide? Was it a suicide that you committed? Was it a suicide? So the card that we have here is a Fool card. So Fool card definitely doesn't show a suicide. Fool card is somebody who's ready for new beginnings, who's ready for new learning, who's moving ahead for growth. There's a dog with him, he's looking at horizon for new opportunities, new things. Why would it be a suicide? And then also there is a cliff. If it has to be suicide with hanging himself, the Hanged Man would come out. That's the card for, that can clearly say that he hanged himself up. Or there is jumping. This is again the cliff that he's showing. So Sushant, what was it? What was it? Was it a murder? What was it? So the cards that we have is World, is Two of Pentacles, is King of Swords, and then there is King of Wands. And this from this, definitely there is a lot of juggling that is happening to figure out right now what is it. And he was happy in his world, he was actually juggling with multiple things, maybe he was juggling with emotions also, situations also. But then there is King of Sword, and then there is King of Wands. So the people were planted into his life. King of Sword wanted to get him to that thing, and that is why it is definitely a murder. It cannot be a suicide. But I'm going to ask once again, Sushant, give us a clear message, as clear as you can. Give us a clear message if it is a murder. Okay, there we go. So this is Two of Swords, there is Queen of Wands, there is Wheel of Fortune, and then there is Knight of Cups. And yes, he was confused, he was emotionally blinded. Yes, he had some kind of distress also. But then the Queen of Wands come into picture, and definitely there's Wheel of Fortune. There was a decision that was made from his soul. Definitely with karma, this was supposed to happen for him to get some messages across, for him to do some things across. But with Queen of Wand, I don't think he can clearly state it more clearly than that she's responsible for his death, or she's responsible for his murder. And I still don't feel that it is a suicide and he died because he wanted to die. No, definitely not. It is definitely Queen of Wands who's attached there, who's there, and who has done this. And there is nothing in my lap, guys. I know some of you would say that I've kept that card in my lap, but it was the card that was already in the deck, and we saw it in the beginning. So it cannot get clearer than this. Then Sushant, why did this leak happen? Why this report came suddenly out that you've committed suicide? Why is there a purpose for this? Is this going to help in any way? Why did this happen in the first place? Why did this report suddenly got leaked, suddenly came out when it was not planned to come out? Why did that happen? So the card is, so see, they say clearly there's World card, there's Two of Pentacles, there's King of Swords again. And that is when it wanted to, one, confuse the world, the King of Swords, and second, money influence, absolutely, and third, because there was a delay that they wanted. So there was a situation where, because of this this report leaking and so many people coming out, protests happening, and all of other things happening, I'm sure CBI will have to come in the front, say some things, make some, the investigation will definitely be delayed. Some things will happen which will be a lot of juggling, more juggling for them. And that is what the intention was, to kind of leak something, to kind of get it out, so that one, they get an idea about how people will react to that, and second, also because the delay happens. So Shant, something like this will come out, every channel and everything will be behind, all the people will be behind it, would want to know the truth. CBI will have to come out and say certain things, and that is probably why Queen of Wands is again there. So that is why probably this happened. And see, again, the cards are very clearly saying that it was something to want to figure out what action is CBI doing, what are the things where the investigation has reached, and also to bring in a delay in this whole situation and this whole investigation. And that is why this happened. And it's basically Queen of Wands, her mind, and then King of Swords, his action. And when will the situation change? When will we see the truth? When will things change? How much time it's further going to take for these confusions to be there? So the cards are saying that this is reaching towards growth. This is reaching towards bringing that balance. We are moving forward. We are marching forward for sure. We are very close to goal. We are very close to finding out things. We don't have to burden ourselves. We don't have to think negative. Definitely there is something new that is going to come out of this whole situation. And is there anything related to your body? So the card, yeah, so this is what my intuition or my mind was also telling me. And in last card also, if you remember, it said that some secret is going to come out. So there's Five of Wands, there is Hierophant, and there is High Priestess, and it kind of says that something that has been hidden from all of us. This card basically is a card of getting something out, a secret coming out, and Hierophant holds the key to the secret. And that is why it feels like with this whole struggle and this whole delay, it is going to actually work work out in our favor, and that is when this secret about probably the postmortem was not done, or it was not his body and all of that, that those secrets are going to come out, and something is going to work out with that, and it is actually going to work out in our favor in the end. And that's what I totally believe in, that it's ultimately going to work out in Sushant's favor, and justice is going to happen for Sushant for sure. Undoubtedly this is going to lead towards justice, no matter why, how this happened. But yeah, ace of cups, definitely something is going to come out of this. And with that coming out, the cards again, there is ace of swords, there is nine of cups, there is magician, and then there is there is empress. So there is growth. So the cards are definitely saying that with this, something is going to come out, which is going to be the wish fulfillment, which is going to be like a huge communication. This could be some video, this could be something related to net media, but something is going to come out, and that is going to bring us towards justice 100%. Today I pushed him for a reading because I really wanted you guys to have that message. I was distressed, you were distressed, and I really wanted you to have this, though he was not very willing in the beginning to kind of for me to make another video. But first time I actually pushed him that you all need to hear this, you all need to know what I know, and that is why this happened. And I can't deny the connect that I have with him. You can't deny the connect that you have with him. He's changed many lives, he's changed many mindsets, and he's definitely there. This is his soul 110%. I'm not doing it for money, because I never monetize any of his videos. The only earnings that I have is due to my readings, that I do readings for people, and that is where I earn out of. There's nothing, not even a penny, that I've earned from YouTube until now. And if you see, the maximum views that I have is on his videos only. So if I had to do this for money, I would have monetized his videos. It's not for anything else. I'm not even bothered if you guys are subscribing with his readings or not. It doesn't matter. For me, justice for him is what matters. And I felt that connect very strongly. I know it is him. I know it is his soul, no matter who says what. And I would tell you not to believe in anything, but to believe at least in his presence, believe in his energy. Know that whatever is happening, it is going to lead to justice. And I'm have faith on yourself, okay? Have faith on yourself, and only say prayers, only say good things. Don't get negative, don't say anything negative, don't nurture anything negative. Only say good things, only say prayers, and prayers will make us reach there. Again, there is justice, and we have the power to manifest. There is six of swords. We are, six is important. Probably tomorrow something might happen. 6 to 10, something is going to happen. A big strong message is going to come ahead, and then justice definitely is going to be served. And the cards are somewhere saying that with justice and with manifestation, we have the power to manifest, okay? We have the power to manifest, we have the power to choose, we have the power to see the right things, and that strength, that power will only come from what we choose to think, what we choose to do. And that is why I would tell you, all of you, to not burden yourself with what is happening in the media right now, what is happening outside right now. Just focus on, that the justice will be served. Just focus and on that, there is an energy that you all are connecting with. Just focus on, the truth will come out, and it will. Just pray for the truth, just pray for the justice. Is there anything else, Sushant, that you want to tell? Is there anything else that you want to tell everyone? Sushant, is there anything else that you want to convey? Is there anything else that you want to convey, Sushant? So again, the cards are saying that undoubtedly there is money influence. Undoubtedly they're trying to get the case to a particular direction that they want. They are making us feel stuck. They're making us feel blindfolded. They're using those things to kind of blindfold us, to make us feel that there is nothing happening, and push us into the direction they want us to push. And that is why it is important that we don't get pushed to that direction. So Shant, if you have to give one more message, what should we do? So the card is Ace of Cups, and then there is Hierophant again. So the justice will happen. Don't be over emotional. Don't let your emotions overpower you. Don't believe in everything that is put in front of you. Know that that connect is very strong. Know that it is going to happen. And then there is a card that says the message is definitely coming. Something positive is coming. That will come. And money influence undoubtedly is used, but that money influence cannot change everything about it. That cannot change everything about it. 110%. Then there is growth, there is Empress, and this definitely will happen. And every time I tell him last message, and then I again keep on shuffling. So is there anything else that we need to know? Anything else that you want to say before you leave us? Anything that you want to say before you go? Sushant, is there anything that you want to say before you go? So there is definitely a situation of heartbreak at this point in time. We are all burdened, and but with this situation, I know it is going to leading to celebration. So that is it. Thank you guys. Take care, and please keep praying for him. Be